So I just picked up this camping cot from Sportneer, and if you're looking for something that's going to be easy to assemble, this is it. It comes with its own carrying case that has a strap on it, so if you do have to carry it long distance, no worries. But all you got to do is take it out of there, unfold the legs, and you are good to go. I had this thing set up in about 30 seconds. It really is that easy. So like I said, if you are looking for something that's very easy to set up, this is going to be it. It's also pretty light too, but it still does support 330 pounds. It should be able to support whatever weight you put on there. But this would be perfect if you're going camping this summer. If maybe you got like a festival, some type of music festival, it's going to be perfect for that. Instead of trying to lug around an air mattress and fill that up, it's way easier just to bring this, put it down in 30 seconds, you got a bed, and when you're ready to go, it can be put back into its carrying case just as fast. So like I said, I am super happy with this. It's also great too if it's going to be wet. You sit maybe 1 foot off the ground, so if the ground's wet, it won't even really matter. You're not going to feel it. So like I said, does its job exactly as it should. I'm a big fan that there's no assembly to it, so I give it 2 thumbs up.